Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing these bangs. I decided it was time to redeem myself. If you know, you know. I recorded a video. Here's the video. Like last year, and hair companies picked it up again like a few months ago and started posting a video on Instagram and just edited it out where I talked about like the important things, like why my baby hair was done, like why I was making them so thin, like why there was a middle part. Like it's just things that like were important to the, they didn't include it. So of course people was mad as fuck in the comments like, this bitch bangs suck, this bitch has the worst fucking bangs in the whole world, this bitch bangs weak. And you know that was around the time with the not the bang, people was not the bang in my ass. It was, yeah, it was deep. But here we are, time to redeem myself. Fuck all the haters, let's get into it.
All I gotta say is, mwah! And you already know who it is.
So I got this wig on straight out the box. This wig is straight, fresh out the box. We got the little fake body wave curls they put in there. I don't know. I mean, what's the reason? Because, you know, would you want to put on your wig like this? Would you want this? You want to throw on the wig and put it on like this? I don't know why they do this. Maybe for presentation purposes. I don't know. I would like to know. I would like to know so much more about hair stuff. But anyway, y'all saw the intro. I'm finna do a bang. Fuck everybody that was talking about me on them hair companies videos who reposted me and them bangs. If you know, you know. Them bangs was cute. And I don't care what y'all say. Even they was a little thin, but that was the look I was going for. So hey, y'all want a thick ass bang? I'm finna give y'all a thick ass bang. I'm finna redeem myself. So let's get into it. I am just gonna start by flat ironing this hair. I didn't wash it yet. Usually I don't wash the wigs that come, but I didn't bleach the knots. We're just gonna transform this wig from the pack to, you know, being wearable. So this is a 4x4 closure, I believe. Maybe it's a 5x5. I think it's giving me 5. It might give me 4 though. I don't know. All the hair information will be in the description box. I'm just gonna get to flat ironing this hair. I'm gonna take small sections and just make sure the whole entirety of the head is straight. So I'm just gonna get to flat ironing. Nothing special is gonna happen just yet. I might add a little bit of this flat iron footage, but the main part, the bang. So let's get ready to get in position to do it. Okay, after flat ironing my hair for what feels like forever, it's done. So what do you guys think? This is the final look. No? Okay. Now I'm just gonna start hot combing stuff flat, because this is just not it, like, at all. And I got my Kendra's Boutique hot comb. I love this hot comb. I really do. From Kendra's Boutique. You can get on Amazon. I'm not Amazon. You can get on AliExpress though. But why not support a black owned business? So I briefly touched on it in the beginning. But if you don't know, I did some bangs like last year. And companies like found it a few months ago. And started circulating a video on Instagram. And the comments were so fucking mean and be so mad at my hair and the way I do it. It's really weird. I hate that the hair companies set up things for people to drop their opinions on whatever. Like, I know that's what YouTube is, but they'll be like, what do you think? On like something that we know is bad. Not me though. I want the bad thing. I'm talking about like girls that, you know, their hair. I guess I was one of them girls to them. But I feel like I look good, so I don't feel like I counted. Yeah, that's what's been going on. So it's just time to redeem myself. It's time to let these bitches know that I know how to do hair. It's time to show the world the skills I possess. So let's do it. They said my bangs was too thin last time, so you know what? That's okay. I'ma just make them like real thick this time. Like, since y'all wanted me to. Oh wait, maybe I should put up this lace, huh? I should cut off this lace. I'm gonna do that first. My lace is cut off now. We can't go back. This is just what it is. So, I'm about to just start sectioning off the hair. I'm gonna just comb forward about this much hair. And I'm gonna start hot combing it to be like that direction instead of like the middle part. So I'm gonna cut them extra long because it would just, you know, bitches be cutting their bangs all the way up here and be like, oh, why did they mess up? Bitch, because you're being stupid. Like, stop playing. I hope I don't jinx myself after that. So we're gonna cut them extra low. So boom, here's what I cut. Woo! So of course my bangs aren't gonna be this long, but now I can section off the side pieces that are meant to be that long, like right here and right here. Now it's just a matter of, these is not even. Fuck! The way I just pulled this hair out of my whole throat, like this hair. Woo, that hair really was down my throat. I basically ate that hair. But anyway, doing the thingy where they cut upwards, and I'm gonna do it to the side because everybody in the comments, oh my god, when did you hear this? When did you, bitch? Why would I just be sitting here stabbing myself in the eye? Like they was like, oh my god, I was so scared for her eyes. Did you think I was just gonna sit here and poke myself in the eye? Calm the fuck down, bro. Like, chill. Fuck everybody in them comments. They piss me off. I'm mad. I'm here to talk about it. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna do it to the side so y'all know. Wait, I don't know if I'm gonna do it to the slight side so y'all know it's space between the scissors in my eyes. Why would I just be up here trying to stab myself in the eye? It don't even make sense. Like, ugh. Okay, I'm gonna just do one of these, and I'm gonna just keep doing this. And this is gonna thin them out, and you know, cut some length off of them because right now they real long. I don't know what I'm doing for real. I barely watch any videos of somebody doing this. I just figure that it can't be. There's a string. There's a string in my hair. I'm gonna start bumping just so I can get a glimpse of what it's gonna look like. Just be thinking about all these comments as I'm doing this, like, and I can't even fucking see. And like, I don't want to jinx myself, but like, shit is cool. Like I ain't threatened. I wasn't scared for 1 second that I was gonna put myself in the eye. And I just want y'all niggas to know that. Okay? So these bangs are entirely like way too long, so I'm just gonna stop being a bitch and just cut. Okay, so now I guess I can do the choppy thing. I feel like they're at a position where I can do the choppy thing, so I'm gonna do the choppy thing. I'ma just, oh my god, so scared for her eyes. Oh my god. I'm gonna just straighten these out. They're not straight, so like right here, that's unnecessarily like Whew, I hate having hair on my face. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna go ahead and go through and just start straightening across, like just making sure it's straight. I still feel like there's a part right here, so when my flat iron is done heating up, it should be about done right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and like make sure that the part is non-existent because it's kind of creating separation in the bangs, and I don't want that. So we gonna get rid of that. Oh shit. So my camera got a little hot and turned off, but I ended up doing this side off camera. I'm kind of liking it. You know, y'all know me. Of course, I'm like, I hate it, I hate it, I hate it, I hate it. So I'm trying not to hate it. I'm trying to just give it a chance. So I'm gonna just do the other side like I did this side. I took a little piece of hair that was like, you know, next to the transition into the hair. Like I want there to be a nice, like I don't want it to be straight across. Like I want it to be like, you see how, yeah, like that. So I have my razor comb and I'm just gonna go ahead and go for it, you know? There's no way to it but through it. I'm just trying to make sure that like, this looks right. That's it. Just making it even to the other side and just, you know, cutting up some final last pieces that are like important to cut. Well, I think that did it. That was so quick. I didn't expect that to go by that fast. That was a lot of concealer. It was so much concealer. But can't you see my skin? That's my scalp right there. So I'm gonna touch up my makeup a little bit, throw on some lashes, add some more highlight because I'm using this powder brush. So I think it took away my highlight, and then I'll come back with the final look. I'm gonna try something new. I'm gonna try to turn around and then that be the transition. So I'm gonna turn around. Was that good? I like a wispier bang. Like I like being able to see the spaces, but I don't like when they ain't spaced right, you know? So I think this is what I got. I probably should honestly cut this a little more, which I'm gonna do real quick. Cause it's just not even to the other side. It's still not even, but hey, I'm over it. So I'm done touching them. I try to redeem myself. Here's me redeeming myself. Hope I'm redeemed now. Hope niggas will stop talking about my bangs, cause clearly I can kind of sort of do them. And that's all I gotta say. Fuck the haters. It's like, nah, I'm playing. It's really cool. I know that I still don't think them bangs was bad. And they didn't watch the video to see why. They was like, why she got on baby hair and stuff? Cause I wore the wig for a few days before I got the bangs. Like, chill, bro. People was so mad. People was so mad at me. Hopefully less mad now. So, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you next video. Bye, beautiful.